Hi, this is Mila, and I couldn't help it. I even though it's months after the collection came out, I finally managed to find rares like pinholes where I hadn't seen pinholes before, so I went for it and ta-da! I got a rare, and there's an ultra rare that I don't have and a limited edition that I don't have. And I do have another ball, and I'm very excited to figure it out. Now for this one, the pinhole, and it was not obvious to see, and I can tell you I've been through boxes, is right here. It's at the corner in between the different colors, so it's even less easy to see. But I'm very happy that I saw it, because hopefully this is something special. Again, either the cupcakes or the tea set. I'll be happy with either. I do already have a tea, like the tea leaves and my goodness, from the divining option kit ball, whatever, with the grim. So I'm happy that I'll be able to compare size-wise as well, like what it is. Okay, I don't remember seeing those before, so that's very positive. Come on, where's the... There we go. Still very exciting. I was very much debating whether I should even shoot those videos, because I mean, I've already done the series and all, but like, they're so cute. Okay, yes, I'm thinking tea set, so that's ultra rare. Why are they different sizes? Interesting. Okay. I'm going to move the baby mandrakes and grown-up mandrake over here just so they can have some space to work. Here's the little baby with the slug repellent. There we go. I'm definitely keeping this because that's the instructions. No. Ooh, proclamation. Oh, yeah, so it must be the tea set. Proclamation, educational decree number 98. Those wishing to join the Inquisitorial Squad for extra credit may sign up in the High Inquisitor's office. And I'm trying to see, as referred to, is Decree number 157 of 1984, formerly knows to be the Ministerial Management of Magical Mayhem, Ast number something, approval by the very something members of the... Okay, I could read it, it's just I don't want to spend 3 years reading it. Okay, let's put these off to the side so I don't lose them. This is exciting. I have gone through a large amount of boxes to find these guys, I can tell you that. Every single time, I'm like, oh, I see the collection, like I'll see if I see pinholes that are not part of this series, because once you start looking at the pinholes, it's like, okay, I want to make sure that it's not a double. Okay, it does come with a lot of materials. What is it? Tongues? It's very flat for tongues, so I don't think so. Okay, is there something on this side? No. Oh, I'm touching something on this side though. Oh, 2 spoons. Okay, it's a lot of paper. And then there's... Okay, that's for the ball. Don't need that. Okay. And I'm going to keep opening packages with whipping. Oh. That is beautiful. That is so lovely. And it has texture on the inside. Sorry, not texture, but colors on the inside. It has a rim, a golden rim. It has decoration on all sides. That is lovely. Well, no. Mila. It is back. There we go. And there's 2 of that, which is great. I wonder whether it'll be liquid that I need to cure inside. That'll be kind of cool. No, I get a teapot. Oh, I'm so using this for the Barbie house. Oh, it's a lovely, lovely teapot. Look at the detailing. Ooh, very happy. La, 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 la. Oh, and it's empty, so I could put water inside and like pour it. I'm totally doing that. Totally doing that. Okay. And oh, I'm in love with the teapot. It was all worth it just because of that teapot. No. No. Okay, I couldn't. I can't even. I'm so happy right now. Okay. Breathe. Breathe, Mila. Oh, a special potion. Does it say something? I feel like it's... Okay, it's a number. Wow. Okay. Well, just right now, this is already worth it. Like looking for special pinholes for months. Like worth it, worth it, worth it. And English tea. I literally could not be happier with this set, and I haven't even started making it. Just look at that with the little teaspoons, and they're clean so I can put them on the plate. Like, how adorable is it? Wait a second, I want to make it the same, like this. Ah, it's so cute. Okay, before I open anything, which I will clearly be opening this because it's too pretty not to, I want to see what's inside of this. And will I regret it because there's something that's liquidy or powdery inside? Probably, but I can always re-glue it, and I really want to see what's inside. Is it like a... Okay, this does not... Oh, it is sugar! I'm not sure whether it's real sugar, and I'm not tasting it, I can tell you that. Oh, it does close pretty nicely. Yay! And the English tea, I'm assuming, is what I'll be pouring inside the teacups. Yep, it's some kind of a liquid, all right. I am so happy. Happy, 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 happy. Okay, let's look at the instructions. I still haven't even looked at the instructions. Silly. Okay. Dolores Umbridge tea set. I've already opened this, so I need to pour the tea, add the sugar, oh, then add the potion, mix it all up, and that's it. Okay, so, oh wait, cure it, I assume? Yes, cure it. Okay, now, I do wonder whether in one of the teacups I should just, I think I'll leave the spoon in one of the teacups, just as if like it's getting mixed, so I'll make sure to like cure it standing, but I will add it after I've poured because I'm assuming it's not going to be as nice if I pour around the teaspoon. Now, I do see something dirty here that I'm not sure. Oh no, it's just a little mark. It's okay. I'll put this on the side. So I'll pour it in both. Is one bigger than the other one, or they're the same? They look the same. They are the same. Okay, we're good, because it bothers me that those are not the same size, though. Like, why would you have one smaller and one bigger? Oh, it's for the teapot and for the sugar dispenser. Okay, good, good, good. No longer bothered, because this is bigger and this is smaller, so I'm all good. Okay. Oh my god, the Barbies can have tea. I love this so much. Breathe. Okay, let's pour this in. Oh, this came off with it this time, so I didn't need to remove it really. So I will pour, I think, in both right now. It's just that afterwards... Oh, wait. Wait a minute. If I'm adding sugar and this thing, then I need to make sure that I don't fill it to the top. Okay. Oh. There we go. Okay, so this is what I put in this one. And I'll try to put less if I can in the other one. Just a bit more though. Okay. Okay, so I put a little bit less in the second cup. And it's really nice. It has like swishies inside. I do know it's not the newest kit, but look at that. It's still liquidy. So very happy with the quality of it. That's very pleasing. I do see a couple of bubbles coming up, which I guess like, should I take care of it now or later? Because technically I will be putting more stuff in and mixing it and all of that. Do not know. I do not know. Okay. So I'm pretending that I poured this. I could literally make a moment with it. I could. Okay, not right now. I like the teapot too much. If I find a second one of this, I'll absolutely make a living moment with it. But if I just have the one teapot, then I kind of want to save the teapot. Okay. What I'll do is I will use the 1 spoon to add the potion and the sugar, and then swish it, and I'll just leave it in the second teacup and cure it like that. Okay. And okay. And then close. Oh my god, those are beautiful. Beautiful. I'm very, 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 very pleased, in case you couldn't tell. Okay, and then, so now the sugar's on top and you can kind of see it in both cups. And then when I add this, I'm going to mix it. There's something pink inside and I can't figure out what it is, but I really want to know. Okay. Even though it looks more green than pink, but that's okay. Okay. And here's the truth-telling potion in both cups. Okay. When I was making the potions, there were pink stuff I would put inside to give it dimension, so I think that's it. Because I could see it swishing, like I could see it kind of trying to come out. But that's lovely, because I get to keep this as well. I love this so much. Okay. And let me just pop this bubble. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying to be like very quick, but you can kind of see the yellow and the sugar and all, and it's not very well mixed. So I'll just mix it gently because I don't want for the tea to go over the beautiful rim, because I'd like for the decorations on the side to still be visible. There we go. Okay. So I guess I will use it for one of the cups and the other one. Okay. Okay, I'll let it stay like this for right now. I'll cure one cup and see how I like it. I'll hide this one here so it doesn't get cured. And then they've been very nicely poured so it doesn't look like it'll be leaking, because that's something I have to check on right now, because I've had I had a couple of fish tanks leak. I've had a Christmas I've had a exclusive to Target Christmas mug, the one with the Target eye and like the eye, like the Christmas thing, and the dollop of cream and the whatever that like ended up leaking all over its little round red tray. I do wonder whether I should put sugar on top, but I don't think so, because usually the sugar goes in, so it would look kind of weird, as if I'm trying to poison the person rather than just figure out the truth. Oh my god, I really, 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 really want a second one. Like, really, 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 really want a second one. Like a second kit for this. This is so lovely. This is absolutely lovely. Okay, anyways, I will finish curing, and yeah. Let me see how I feel about this. Okay, it is still kind of soft, but it is starting to harden. So I guess for this one, where did it go? There we go. I could just put it like this, as if it's being... Yeah, okay. I think I'm good. Okay, so I will finish curing, and then I'll show you the result. Okay, so I did it, and they're ready to go, and they're so adorable. Here's in the first one. The tea has a lovely, lovely sheen to it. So I'm pretty pleased. I'll just put it here. And then I guess this will go on this one, because the other one, I put the spoon in as if somebody's mixing it. Because just imagine, I'll just turn it around. Come here, Lizzie. And she's really not dressed right. I really need to like change her clothing a little bit, because it's starting to get weird if she's always wearing these clothes. But just imagine, like, she's just sitting and having her tea and like mixing it. Like, how good does it look? I think it looks so lovely. So I'm very pleased with that for one. And then just look at this. I'm going to add the teapot. And what is the sugar thing called? I call it a sugar dispenser, but I'm not sure if that's correct. Sugar domey thing? I don't know. And the potion and the English breakfast. Like, I'm so pleased. And now I wanted to compare it to the one that I got for the Grimm, which I also have here. Like, I had displayed my Harry Potter stuff very nicely, and that I ended up dropping it all over the place. So there's that. Come on. There we go. And here's the tea. So this is for this. I guess I'll just put them on one side so I don't mix up what's with what. Come on. And here's the tea from, oh goodness, from Back to Hogwarts with the teacup. This one doesn't come with a plate, because that's the one with the Grimm inside, where you put the liquid and then you're like, oh my god, it's the Grimm. So yeah, the teacups are the same size, so they could be used at the same time. Oh, come on. But where did it go? There we go. But I wouldn't necessarily use them at the same time, just because of the different decorations. I don't know, but I'm very happy with like having all of this. I am back. I mean, I've never been away from Harry Potter, but I'm definitely back on the Harry Potter wave. And I'm so incredibly pleased with this one, because there's things that I can just reuse in any situation. And this way, it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I'm just so happy. And I hope you enjoyed this and you're happy as well, because I mean, we can do this together, unless, you know, you guys would like to join the Inquisitorial squad, because then we cannot be friends, because this means you like Dolores Umbridge. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Mischief managed. Bye!